Welcome to today's new adventure. Today we're going to do the Aldi's Griddle with some tilapia we got from Aldi's. That's right, it's about about seven pieces in there. I'll show you how I make tilapia on the grill. We use up vegetable oil, got my water, got my little dough cutter that's going to clean the griddle. Clean, and we're going to use Tony Chachere's on some of them. That's what I like on mine. Everybody else probably likes lemon pepper. So yeah, we're going to get the show on the road. Let's get started. All right, let me show you how I do it. Take me some vegetable spray, oil, whatever kit spray you got. Don't matter, any one you want. Move this over here, spray it down, spray it. I'm just going to throw it on the grill. Do it on the grill. Hopefully I can get all of it on there. Sorry about moving it, but it's kind of hard to cut, and I have one camera right now. The camera ain't doing too well. All right, I dropped the camera. So here we go. We're gonna spray them and go quick. Spray and go. I'll put the seasonings on them in a minute. A small one. Just trying to keep them sticking, that's all it is. I've done it in butter. Alright, there we go. Let's put our seasoning on. Alright, I'm going to do two of these with some Cajun seasoning. That's my favorite. Put that Cajun on there. I'm pretty heavy. There we go. I'll do a couple more of these Cajun. It's good flavor. Tony Chachere's is one of the best. I've had better. I mean, I've had different. Lemon pepper. Yeah, I like lemon pepper too, but Cajun's my favorite. Put that stuff on everything. Put it on put on my cereal. I'm just kidding, I don't. I really don't. I'm just making that up. Let's see. We gotta make sure it don't stick. Oops. See how these grooves are right here, the grooves? That's what it's for right there, just to get in there and get them out. I got this on low as I can. I don't cook it too fast, it'll stick. A little bit sticks to it, see a little bit, but I've done it in butter. I like the butter. Instead of the oil, I've done that before. I like it too, it's good. Clean it up. Let it cook. They're cooking pretty good, really good. What I'll do, I'll spray them again on top and flip them. These don't take long at all. This is tilapia, cheap fish. But I like it, it's good, it's really good. Alright, we're getting ready to flip, so I'm gonna spray them again. Come over here to the simple side. Spray the top of them. We just keep it from sticking, that's all it is. Just go ahead and flip them. Easy, just take it easy, flip it. Easy. Take your time, ain't no hurry on any of these grills. Look at that. Take your time. Hit it. Put that small one over here. It's so small it won't take long to cook. Ooh, she fell apart. Be alright. No problem. Take my time. Flip it. Low. Got it. We got this. Oh, it's falling apart. Drop it on low. Low and slow. That's all you do. No, I'm not going to worry about doing the other side. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about doing the other side. Season them. Why not? A little bit. A little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. Once this done too that way. It's already kind of dried up, but there we go. See how that was quick there? Don't have to. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends. We'll do it. All right, let's pull them off. They're done. Everything's done. Kind of easy. Easy. Put the Cajun on one side. Oh, that's okay. That's okay if you do that. I think everybody in the house will eat whatever. They don't care. Look at that. It's beautiful. All right, we're going. This time I've got it recorded. I missed it on the last time. I'm going to show you how to clean that grill real quick. I cranked it up all the way. What's up? Here's your trusty water. Let the steam go. Put plenty of it on there. It don't hurt nothing. Steam's on. Take your dough scraper. Scrape it off. Dump it in your hole. Scrape it in there. A little steamy, not bad. Keep it going, keep it on high. Doesn't take that long to clean. Dump it in your little trap. That's how I do it. Do it again. Let the steam go. This way. You're burning off the whatever germs or anything. You're burning it off. It's pretty hot. It's sweating over here from the heat. Wipe it off. Clean it up pretty good around the corners, around the edges. Clean it up. Run this on there, that paper towel. It's already if it's damp. It's fine. That's how I clean mine. And I also do a cleaning before every time I start it up. I'll clean it first. Get it clean, good and clean. And that's it. There you go. That's how you clean your griddle. And I clean it the same way when I first start. I get it really hot on high, put the water on it, wash it down in the little trap, clean it up, and it's good to go. Well, there we go, guys. I got this one in the bag. This was good to go. If you're interested in this Eventech thermometer, you can use it. Works good. Right there, there you go. There, it's 99 degrees. On that, yeah, there you go. We just cooked some great tilapia. We got to taste test that right now. It's time to taste test it. Hang on. Got me a piece. I did bring me a piece of it and took everything in so the flies don't get a hold of it. So I was going to tear it off. Just taste test it. That's it right there. Got this from Aldi's tilapia. We've had it before. It's really good. Here we go. Cajun-y. Ooh, yeah, Cajun just kind of hit me right in the throat. Ooh, that was good. That's so good. I love it, man. I love it. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, this Eventech, I got this off Amazon. 13, 14 bucks. Price is different. Maybe chain might have went down. Might be up. I don't know. It's in my description below. Check it out if you like it. I like it. I really enjoy it. I used it. I used to use it, but I didn't video it, so I use it every time. Just chicky temp and all that. You know, different foods call for different temps and all that. So I cooked everything on low and less fish because I want to cook it low and slow. You want it to stick and everything. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a good evening and a great weekend. Thank you.